Hello travellers and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we take an overnight boat into the mystical and magical world of Doubtful Sound. We may not have found any sunshine, but the mist and rain just adds to the atmosphere and beauty. So come with us into another world as we explore the incredible fjords of New Zealand. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining us on another Grape Soda Travels. I'm Neil, this is Naomi, and we spent 4 weeks exploring the magnificent country that is New Zealand. Welcome back.
Thank you for bringing the rain.
Yeah.
It's a bit drizzly today. We have driven through quite a lot of rain today.
We have. We, as you can see, we're at Manapuri. And we've got a bit of a trek coming up, haven't we, today? And tomorrow.
I know. Clue is behind you. It says Manapuri / Doubtful Sound.
Yes. So in about an hour's time, we're going to get on a boat that takes us across a lake, that takes us to a bus, that drives us to another lake where we get on the cruise boat for Doubtful Sound.
Yay!
But first, a pre-adventure coffee. Gently does it. Ta-da!
That's for us too. Thank you. It's quite tricky when you can't see your own feet because you're carrying so much stuff. Hiya! Oh my gosh, bouncy. I got it. Mine is a big step. Oh my.
And we're off.
The grand reveal. It looks yummy and tasty and vaguely healthy as well.
A bit of fruit salad, with a chicken sarnie, meat sarnie.
Nice.
And a brownie.
Yummy. That'll do. Enjoy. Nom nom.
You not get on?
No. The reflection is amazing. There we go, we're all good. And we're off the first boat. And we're now on the most westerly side of Lake Manapuri. Hello.
Hello.
Where are the goats?
Parts further north of here that when you turn the leaf over it has a silver backing. So, and that's one of our national emblems, the silver fern. Now folks, it's a little bit damp outside. I have seen it worse.
don't think you can probably see that.
Hello from our wonderful boat on Doubtful Sound. Now, hello, you can tell from the fact that I'm doing it like this, it's big. It's not the biggest room in the world, but it's so lovely. So I thought I'd show you our room before we mess it up. Here's our cabin. I didn't expect a double bed. I thought it would be like, you know, bunk beds or twins or something like that. Actual proper bed. It's very, very nice. Plugs a go-go. Somewhere to hang your coats. We're going to get wet. It is raining. La la la. Lots of room over here, so we can just about fit all of our stuff in a Tetris style. We can fit everything in. That's cool. We even have an ensuite. There we go. Ensuite. Hello again. Lou. There you go. We have a shower. I'm really impressed. You can just hear the boat's engines. And so, if you need it while you're sleeping, earplugs. They even provide you with earplugs just in case. And we're underway. It is absolutely tipping it down, but it's rather glorious. Look at the shape of the water. Wow.
So as our boat made its way down the fjord, the rain would come and go. But as we approached the opening to the Tasman Sea, the captain took us in search of seals.
Wow. They're all just sitting there doing out. Isn't that amazing? You can hear them.
Yeah, I know.
So we're now just paused in a calm bay up near Precipice Cove, because some people who are braver than I are going to go kayaking and in a boat, and some of them are going to go swimming, and it's really cold in this water apparently. So I'm not doing that. I've got a glass of wine. Anyway, so while it is a nice calm spot and it's nearly stopped raining, I thought I'd give you a little tour around the front. I know that's not what you call the front of a boat, but around the front of the boat. Enjoy. So you come out of the observation lounge, which is lovely. There's Neil. He's not paying attention. Anywho, and you can come around here. Obviously, have to be a bit careful because everywhere's a bit wet, but that's fine. You come around here, and you get to see. Probably for sensible reasons, you're not allowed up there, otherwise people would probably do the whole Titanic thing. I'm flying, Jack! And here we have the boat. Da, da, da! The Fiordland Navigator. I'm going to take you around this corner as well. Ah, there he is! Look at the cloud, caught in a little crease in the hill. Ah, so some of our fellow travellers are now in the tender boat and they're going for a little bit of a mooch in the water. How is this place real? I feel like I'm looking at something CGI'd for a movie. It's beautiful, so grand. They look like little yellow rubber ducks. Now the guys who are on the little tender boat are coming back in as well. I think they've had a bit of a rainy time out there. Everyone is now back on board, but some crazy loons are going to jump off the boat and go for a swim. Doesn't appeal to me, but I'm sure some people will love it.
And so, with everyone back on board, it was time to head to the central lounge where we all gathered for dinner. A great opportunity to get to know our fellow passengers and enjoy some wonderful food as the night time descended. That's how we moor.
Oh! Hello. Wow.
So it is 10 to 10 in the evening. We're going to get up early, just in case the morning is spectacular weather, which at the moment doesn't look likely, but you never know. So we're just having a final look around before we go to bed.
It's not completely dark though, is it? 10 to 10. Night night, everyone.
So good night from Doubtful Sound. We'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. I'm being very quiet because I don't think anybody else apart from us is up. It's 5:20 in the morning. Yes, I'll say that again. It's 5:20 in the morning. I don't do 5:20 in the morning. However, we've decided to get up and see what dawn brings us. Because we're so far away from man-made light, we thought we'd have a look. I've made myself a cup of tea. Let's go and see what happens as the sun starts to rise. We have a couple of neighbours in this cove. One over there, one over there. We have a lot of low cloud. Very low. The two sounds that you can hear is you can hear the quiet rumble of the generator on the boat, but much louder is the waterfall that's coming down. The cloud has rather made it disappear. We've got a waterfall coming down here, and that's what the rushing sound is. It's now 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun's come up. Can't say we had a glorious sunrise of orange and flame and all the rest of it. But it is rather majestic in its own way, isn't it, babe? And now we're underway again. Absolutely glorious. Wow.
before it was time to disembark, the boat took us down one of the arms that offshoots the main fjord, where the captain turned off the engines so that everyone could enjoy the peace and tranquility of this natural wonder.
And there are the coaches.
Time to disembark.
Time to go. You have a good time?
Yeah.
It's been wet. Amazing. Thank you.
Lovely to meet you.
Thank you very much. Bye, gang.
Bye bye. See ya.
So that was that.
Wow.
A whole bunch of wow. Yeah, that was a pretty special thing to go and do, wasn't it? So it's time to bid farewell to lovely Doubtful Sound and the Manapuri area and head on to the next adventure, which we hope you will join us for. If you're enjoying our adventures, and we certainly are, then we hope that you'll stick with us for the next one, and do all of those YouTubey things that really help us, like liking. Yeah, give it a thumbs up, why not? Leave a comment, leave a question. We are no experts, but we'll try and answer any questions you may have. And if you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button. It's completely free. I love free. It's my favourite price. And if you ding the notifications bell, the next time we post a video, you will be one of the first to know. So do all of those things and it helps us grow and glow, possibly. I don't know. Quite tired. Should we say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Toodaloo!